Here's a simple guide to help you learn how to order food at a restaurant in English. I've broken it down step by step. 1. Arriving at the restaurant. When you arrive at a restaurant, someone, like a host or hostess, may ask if you have a reservation. Here's how you can respond. If you have a reservation, "Oh, I have a reservation under the name," your name. If you don't have a reservation, "Oh, I don't have a reservation." Do you have a table for number of people? 2. When you sit down, the waiter will usually give you a menu and say something like, "Here's the menu. Can I get you anything to drink?" You can respond with, "I would like a drink, please. Can I have a water/coffee/tea?" 3. Looking at the menu. Take your time looking at the menu. When you are ready to order, the waiter may ask, "Are you ready to order? Can I take your order?" You can respond, "Yes, I'm ready. I'd like the name of the dish. I'll have the name of the dish, please." 4. Asking questions. If you need more information about a dish, you can ask questions like, "What's in the name of dish? Can you recommend something? Is this dish spicy/sweet?" 5. Making special requests. If you have special dietary preferences, you can ask, "Can I have this without ingredient? Can you make it vegetarian/vegan/gluten-free? I'm allergic to ingredient. Can you make sure it's not in my dish?" 6. After ordering, the waiter may say, "Would you like anything else?" You can respond with, "No, thank you. That's all for now." 7. After you've finished your meal, when you're done eating, the waiter might ask, "How was everything?" You can say, "It was great, thank you. It was delicious." 8. Asking for the bill. When you're ready to pay, you can ask, "Can I have the bill, please? Can I get the check, please?" The waiter may bring it to you, and you can say, "Thank you." 9. Tipping, optional. In some countries, in many countries, especially in the US, it is customary to leave a tip. A tip is usually 15 to 20% of the total bill. Example conversation, waiter, "Good evening. Do you have a reservation?" You, "No, we don't." Do you have a table for two? Waiter, "Sure, right this way. Here are your menus. Can I get you something to drink?" You, "I'll have water, please." Waiter, "Are you ready to order?" You, "Yes, I'll have the grilled chicken, please." Waiter, "Would you like anything else?" You, "No, thank you." Waiter, "How was everything?" You, "It was great, thank you." You, "Can I have the bill, please?" Let's work on pronunciation and detailed examples for everyday conversations. 1. Pronunciation practice. Here are some common English words and phrases you can practice with, along with tips on how to pronounce them. Hello, oh, say it like, hello. The H is soft, and the stress is on the second part of the word. How are you? Oh, say it like, how are you? The R in R is soft, and you sounds like you. Try not to overpronounce each word, let them flow together naturally. Thank you, oh, say it like, thank you. The TH sound in thank is soft, put your tongue between your teeth slightly, and you sounds like you. Can I have? Oh, say it like, can I have? The can I often blends together in fast speech, so it might sound like can I. 2. Daily conversations with examples. At a coffee shop, you, "Hi, I'd like a coffee, please." Barista, "Sure, would you like it hot or iced?" You, "I'll have it hot, please." Tips for pronunciation. I'd like sounds like I'd like. The I would becomes I'd and flows into like. Please, say it with a soft S, like please. At a grocery store, you, "Excuse me, where can I find the bread?" Shop assistant, "It's in aisle 5, near the dairy section." You, "Thank you so much." Notice how, excuse me sounds like xkyooz me, with a soft Z sound, Thank you so much can be spoken softly and naturally like thank you so much, asking for directions, excuse me, can you tell me how to get to the train station? Person, go straight ahead and turn left at the traffic lights. Thanks for your help. Key phrases here, go straight ahead, pronounced go straight ahead, turn left, make sure left is soft, not too strong, like left. 3. Practice dialogue. Here's an example of a dialogue you can use to practice both pronunciation and sentence structure. At a restaurant, waiter, good evening, how can I help you today? Good evening. I'd like a table for 2, please. Waiter, sure. Right this way. Here are your menus. Can I get you something to drink? Yes, I'll have a glass of water, please. Waiter, are you ready to order? Yes, I'd like the grilled chicken with a side of vegetables. Waiter, great choice. Anything else? No, that's all, thank you. In this dialogue, I'd like is pronounced softly as I'd like, that's all sounds like that's all, spoken quickly and together. Here are several practical ways you can practice English more often in your daily life. 1. Practice speaking every day, even if you're alone, practice speaking English daily. Here are some ideas. Talk to yourself in English, describe what you're doing, e.g., I am cooking dinner or I'm going for a walk. Set a goal to speak in English for 10 to 15 minutes each day about different topics, e.g., your day, what you see around you, etc. 2. Use language learning apps. There are many apps that can help you practice speaking English: Duolingo, fun lessons that teach you grammar and vocabulary, HelloTalk or Tandem. You can speak with native speakers and practice English in real time. Busuu offers interactive speaking exercises with feedback. 3. Watch English movies and TV shows. Watch movies or TV shows with subtitles to improve your listening skills and understand how native speakers talk. Start with subtitles in your language and later switch to English subtitles. Try repeating phrases from the show to mimic pronunciation and speaking patterns. 4. Join English speaking groups. Find a language exchange group or conversation club to meet people who are also learning English or native speakers. In-person meetups. Check local libraries, community centers, or websites like meetup.com, online conversation groups. Websites like Speaky, Conversation Exchange, or even Facebook groups offer opportunities to practice English with others. 5. Use English for social media. Engage with social media in English to get more practice. Write posts in English. Share about your day, thoughts, or hobbies. Comment on English-speaking videos on YouTube or social media platforms. Follow English language accounts that interest you, like cooking, technology, or travel. 6. Read aloud. Take a book, article, or news story and read it out loud. Focus on pronouncing words clearly. You can even record yourself and listen to how you sound. 7. Practice with a language partner or tutor. Find a language exchange partner who wants to learn your language while you learn English. You can talk for 30 minutes in English and then 30 minutes in your language. Hire an English tutor or join online classes where you can speak regularly and get feedback on your speaking skills. 8. Write daily in English. Keep a daily journal in English. Write about your day, your plans, or anything you like. Start with simple sentences and, over time, add more details. 9. Practice using flashcards. Use apps like Anki or Quizlet to create flashcards for new vocabulary words. Practice saying the words out loud when you review them to improve your speaking fluency. 10. Shadowing technique. Shadowing is a great method for practicing pronunciation. Here's how to do it. Listen to a native English speaker, on YouTube, podcasts, or TV. Repeat what they say immediately after, trying to copy their accent, intonation, and speaking speed. Do this regularly, and you'll improve both your pronunciation and fluency. 11. Practice with voice assistants. Use voice assistants like Siri, Google Assistant, or Alexa. You can ask questions, set reminders, or have short conversations. This is a fun way to practice pronunciation and get instant feedback. 12. Use podcasts and audio lessons. Listen to English language podcasts, especially those designed for English learners like The English We Speak, BBC, or ESL Pod. Pause the podcast and repeat sentences to practice speaking along. Daily routine example. 1. Morning. Talk about your plans for the day in English. 2. Afternoon. Listen to an English podcast and practice shadowing for 10 minutes. 3. Evening. Watch an English TV show with subtitles and repeat phrases out loud. 4. Before bed, write a short diary entry in English about your day. Practicing English every day will make you more confident over time. Let me know if you'd like help with any specific areas. Improving fluency in English takes consistent practice and exposure. Fluency is the ability to speak smoothly, confidently, and without long pauses, so it's important to work on both speaking speed and accuracy. Here are some effective strategies to improve your fluency. 1. Think in English. One of the best ways to increase fluency is to think in English. Avoid translating from your native language to English in your head. Start with simple thoughts like I need to buy some milk or it's a nice day. Over time, think in full sentences and longer thoughts. 2. Speak out loud regularly. Practice speaking every day, even if you're alone. Talking to yourself in English helps your brain get used to forming sentences quickly. Describe what you're doing. For example, if you're cooking, say, now I'm cutting the vegetables, and next I'll boil the pasta. 3. Shadow native speakers. Shadowing is when you listen to a native speaker and repeat what they say immediately, trying to mimic their speed, rhythm, and pronunciation. Choose a podcast, video, or interview, and repeat after the speaker. This improves both fluency and pronunciation. 4. Use chunks of language. Chunks are groups of words that native speakers use together naturally, like, I'd like to, or, what do you think? Instead of thinking of single words, try learning and using these common phrases. This helps you speak faster and more naturally. 5. Practice with time pressure. Set a timer for 1 to 2 minutes and pick a topic, e.g., my favorite hobby or my daily routine. Speak continuously for the whole time without stopping. This will push you to think and speak faster. Gradually increase the time and try to speak about more complex topics as you improve. 6. Engage in conversations with native speakers. Find opportunities to speak with native or fluent English speakers. You can use apps like HelloTalk, Tandem, or join online conversation groups. Don't worry about making mistakes. The goal is to get comfortable speaking continuously. 7. Improve your listening skills. Fluency is closely connected to listening. Listen to native speakers and pay attention to how they link words together, their intonation, and pronunciation patterns. Watch TV shows, movies, and listen to podcasts to expose yourself to different accents and speaking styles. 8. Reduce filler words. Try to avoid using filler words like and too often. These can slow down your speech and make you less fluent. Instead, take short pauses to collect your thoughts if needed. Pauses are natural in conversation and can make you sound more confident. 9. Expand your vocabulary. The more vocabulary you know, the easier it will be to speak fluently. Focus on learning useful, everyday vocabulary and phrases. This way, when you're speaking, you won't have to stop and think of the right word. Use tools like Anki or Quizlet for spaced repetition vocabulary practice. 10. Join English speaking clubs or classes. If possible, join conversation clubs or English speaking classes where the main focus is on speaking. Participating in group conversations will push you to speak more and develop fluency through interaction. 11. Use role-playing exercises. Practice real-life scenarios like ordering food, making an appointment, or giving directions. Pretend you're in a specific situation and speak as you would in that context. If you have a language partner or tutor, you can role-play common situations like interviews, meetings, or social conversations. 13. Set speaking challenges. Challenge yourself to speak for longer periods about a topic without stopping. For example, start with 1 minute and gradually increase to 3, 5, or even 10 minutes. 14. Relax and enjoy the process. The more comfortable you are, the more fluent you'll become. Don't be afraid of mistakes, they're part of learning. Focus on communicating ideas rather than being perfect. Stay positive and recognize your progress as you go along. Celebrate small improvements. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.